I'm standing here with Dorian. Dorian has a very interesting application and a device. Dorian, can you tell us about the application and device?
Yes, it's a musical instrument called the Ocarina, is the interface, and I've been making ocarinas for about 20 years in the USA, and so now I've tried to make a digital version of it on the iPhone, and I decided I might as well allow other instrument samples to play through it as well as the ocarina, and I built a ceramic amplifier housing for it with a speaker so that I could amplify it and it would be plenty loud, you can hear it.
What's the name of the company?
Songbird Ocarina. It's like a bird that sings. Songbird Ocarina. Yes. And here's a ceramic version of the ocarina.
Very cool. So let's see what you got.
Okay, so this is an instrument called the Sipsi.
Thank you. That was really, really cool.